Hiya, I'm Joshua. I'm a BSc Marketing student in the University of Bristol. I'm sure most of you must be wondering what's the marketing course like in Bristol. Well, BSc Marketing is well structured with units that not only equips you with marketing knowledge, but it provides a holistic coverage of other business disciplines such as finance, global business issues, and management practices. I think that the course gives me control over my own learning, and it is multidisciplinary, so I feel confident that I'll graduate from it with a diverse set of skills. I believe that the role of marketer is constantly involving the development of technology, cultural shifts in society, and even the consumer's demand for sustainable products. These things will shape our future in the industry, and I feel like this course aptly prepares you for these changes. And there will be amazing professors who will guide you along the way to help you achieve academic excellence. I enjoy having a discussion with them because they're always so eager to share their knowledge with me. The university prepares me for employment by offering career workshops, summer programs with other universities, and industry talks. So these it really helps a lot with understanding the specific career that you would like to get into. Moreover, the university has plenty of opportunities outside the curriculum to increase your employability, such as workshops, case competitions, and volunteering activities. Rather than just focusing on the academics, these activities help me to understand the applications of those academic theories that I've learned in school. Through the career services workshops, I understood the value of my degree, and I know that marketing career is just the tip of the iceberg. The campus is in the heart of the city, so it'll always be one stone's throw away from your shopping districts, the library, and even your classes. Yeah, I love Bristol because it is such an inclusive city where you're able to find your sense of belonging. And as an international student, I think it is quite daunting to move into a new city, but adapting to Bristol wasn't too difficult. I think it was pretty easy for me to make friends, find people with similar hobbies, and pick up new interests. I would recommend University of Bristol's BSc Marketing to anyone who's keen on exploring contemporary marketing issues with a management and innovative perspective.